Dino, read me the following notes. Dino, speak louder, I can't hear you. Dino, you have to speak louder. I already know you're a famous pianist and that this is very easy and boring for you, but you have to help me because I just started. Let's see, the next notes are C, D, E, C.
Telmo, you'll have to leave the music lessons on the internet for later. Right now, we need to do the project.
The thing is that when I'm older, I want to be a famous orchestra conductor. I really like music a lot, but it's very difficult.
You need to have the patience and practice a lot before you can play an instrument.
We can make an instrument as a project. For example, a piano.
A piano is very complicated. We would never finish it.
Well, then how about a pipe organ?
Even worse, we wouldn't even finish it in a year.
So then what are we going to make today?
You recall the other day when you were at your friend's house?
Yes, of course.
What did you say you liked very much?
His fridge, which was decorated with a lot of little animals.
Well, I was thinking we could also decorate ours.
Awesome! It will turn out super cool.
So then we're going to make clay animals with magnets.
And which animal shall we choose?
I'm going to make a pretty butterfly.
Well, I know. I'm going to make a hamster just like Paquito, but much handsomer.
Let's go over the materials that we need.
Different colors of clay.
A rolling pin.
A puncher.
A paintbrush.
A plastic knife.
A little bit of white glue.
A container of latex.
And a magnet. Let's get started. We grab a chunk of whichever color clay we want and we roll it out with the rolling pin. We draw the outline of a butterfly with the puncher. We use the knife to cut the outline of the butterfly. Then we remove the clay that is left around the edges.
This is so fun. It reminds me of when we used to make cakes.
Yeah, it's like when we used to knead the pizza dough.
I finished cutting out the outline from Paquito. Do you like it?
You've made his stomach too large. Keto's not that fat.
Not true. You haven't seen him after he's eaten all the sunflower seeds.
He's such a glutton. Let's take a look at the second part of the project. We make the body of the butterfly. And we make the little balls of clay to decorate the wings. We put each part in place by pressing it down.
I just had an idea.
What?
I'm gonna disguise myself from grown-up. Ta-da! That's it!
Who are you?
I'm Telmo.
No, Telmo doesn't have a mustache or a beard. Do you know where he went?
But it's me, Tula.
I'll call Grown-up to see if he's seen him.
It's me, look! You fooled me. You were kidding around.
Yes, but you looked great. I'm going to call Grown-up. Grown-up! Grown-up, have you seen? Grown-up, you look different. Did you get a haircut? Grown-up, have you seen Telmo? I'm looking for him. Let's call him and see if he comes. Telmo! Telmo!
Achoo! I think I gave myself away. You look very funny.
Telmo, please remember to turn around when you're going to sneeze.
But I didn't have time.
take a look at the last part of our project. We draw the last details with the help of a puncher. We give it a few paintbrushes of latex on the front and the back in order to solidify the clay, and we let it dry. We stick the magnet in the middle of the butterfly with a little bit of glue. My butterfly will fly through the meadows, and it shall land on all the flowers.
And my hamster will climb all the trees and trip on his very long mustache. Tula, do you think we sing well?
I think so. I'm in the school choir. Why?
The thing is, it's so hard to be a musician. Maybe I can be a singer.
All right, repeat your part in the song, and I'll tell you how well you sing.
But I'm embarrassed.
But you were just singing.
Before we were just having fun. Now it's like a test.
Telmo, there's no reason for you to be nervous. Usually you sing really well.
Oh, really? Thank you. My hamster has turned out super awesome.
Not bad, but good luck, because Paquito doesn't know Tim. My butterfly needs to be able to fly.
Yes, it turned out really nice. Let's put on the magnets.
Do you know what a magnet is?
Yes, a little piece of iron that has the ability to attract other iron objects.
Bravo! And the force that attracts them is called magnetism. Since the door of our refrigerator is made of iron, the magnet will stick to it. The fridge looks much more interesting like this.
Yes, and we can add many more little animals.
All right, my friends, see you soon.
See you soon. I'm going to continue with my music lessons.
I'll go with you.
Or should I practice singing?
Just continue with your lessons.